So I just got into my Uber and she is not messing around. She is not gonna let anything get in here. She's got her plastic up and we're ready to roll. Hi, my name's Ashley and I have a passion for world travel. So when I lost my corporate job back in 2019, it only made sense and was a lot cheaper for me to put everything in storage and live full time out of a carry-on suitcase. So I booked a one-way ticket, hit the road in search of what the new normal of travel looks like. But more importantly, I'm in search of what my new normal looks like. I am the In Search of Traveler. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Miami.
You know, gotta move those legs to the beat. You know the beat. Gonna set you free.
A hurricane came. So I got a text this morning. But because there's a hurricane coming, I called the front desk to see if I needed to evacuate Florida because I'm from California. I don't know anything about hurricanes and I got freaked out this morning when I found out about it. But they told me it's a Category 1, not to panic, that it was gonna rain and there was gonna be a lot of wind, but a lot of restaurants will probably be closed so that I should go buy groceries. I've never been in a hurricane before. I'm like freaking out. I'm walking to Whole Foods, which is across the street. How it works is you just take the lid off, you pull it up, and you can see it's just like a normal blender. So what I'm going to do is take my aloe vera, use a spoon, it just goes into the blender. So I have my castor oil and my almond oil, and you're supposed to put like I think a teaspoon of each, but I just kind of eyeball it. I have a lot of hair though, so I put a little bit more in, but I just add it to the mixture. So I just arrived at the Wynwood Walls and nobody's here because it's closed. Due to everything that's going on right now, it closed back in March and they're not doing any tours, but you can still kind of walk around outside of the walls and you can see all of the beautiful art. Take a look. Don't come to Florida during the summer. It's hurricane season and it rains every day. I'm gonna try and get into this Uber without getting too wet so I can get some food. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Appreciate the car. You're my first one since 8 that I got this morning.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and I needed a lot because I haven't worked for 3 months. baby and everything, and I applied for food stamp and they denied me.
Are you serious?
They had me in the employment, had me waiting for 3 months, pending. Friday I received a letter that they denied my employment.
That's crazy.
So I had to come out as an emergency because my baby needs Pampers. I don't have family. I'm by myself.
Oh my
I'm trying to
God.
do $40 where I can buy his formula and a bag of Pampers.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, God bless
I
you.
lost my mom in December and it's been really hard for me, so I'm trying to.
Oh my God, I will pray for you.
I appreciate it.
So what's good? What are you guys famous for?
Excuse me?
What are you famous for to order?
Order, we have here, number 2,
Okay.
fried scrambled with Cuban croquetas. That one is meat, ham, steak. We have good sandwiches now too. We have pastry and the cafeteria.
What's your favorite? What's the most popular? That one?
Number 2, this Cuban croquetas.
Okay. I'm gonna do that. The service here is amazing. Literally, I thought they were bringing somebody else's food. My food came out in 2 minutes. It's really, really good. I got all that food for less than $8. Such a great deal. Unfortunately, most of it I wanted to do were closed, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe.